Hey everybody, Bridget Lynn Dolgoff, Consciousness of Economics and Urban Farm Project. Anyway, hey, I'm out here helping someone and I am pulling weeds. And some of these weeds are pretty tough. So anyway, in the course of helping my friend, we're in the process of cleaning the property up, which is a good thing. Organization. Oop, there's two of our junkyard dogs. Ooh, Jin. And here's Jin, the third one. Oh, junkyard dogs. Actually, they're not junkyard dogs. They have a nice yard and they have like a big speedway around the yard. So anyway, so in the course of, pulling these weeds, most of them have thorns. They grow flowers and they get these pretty bad thorns. It's not really good for the dogs or, the horses that live next door and the dogs. So, but one of the things that tripped me out is that most of these weeds, if I tug pretty good, they'll come out because there's sand. But the ones that are over along the other fence line that bridge that fence line, they are way harder to get out. And then it made me realize, like, the lady who lives over there hates them. And she's like, hunts them out. And, if you had to survive, let's just talk about plant survival 101. You got to get your seeds out and get them attached to something. And then they travel and they go different places. So it's a way that the seed, takes care of its survival long term. But think about it, if you were threatened, they say that plants can produce different chemicals and things like that to make sure that, ant plants, they don't get eaten, especially don't get eaten, when they're getting ready to deliver seeds and stuff like that. So plants can put out their own natural pesticides, mammal sides, if you want to call it reptilian sides, to keep us from like eating them or getting near them or, hey, over here. All right, we got probably some rabbit action, which isn't good. The dogs get really freaky about the rabbits, so we have to go in a different direction. But anyway, so, you could see how the same weeds on towards the fence, even on this side, the closer they get to that particular fence, the tougher they get out. And I think it's from a long history of being close to that property. And so what they do is they just grow tougher because, they have life is being threatened, by a human. So anyway, Jin, come on, let's go this way, out of the rubble. Okay, anyway, so that's kind of like some insight I had today about the weeds and depending on their threat level and their survival. And it's interesting. Plants are pretty adaptable and they can change their genetics at will, like even overnight. So anyway, I hope that's a helpful, fun tip. Consciousness of Economics and Urban Farm Project. Oh yeah, we're out.